Hello, in this video I want to show you a few different settings that are useful for Diablo 4. And first thing we need to do is press on escape or go to the game, and here enter options. Inside select the gameplay, and here's a few different settings that might be useful for you. And the first one is advanced tooltip compare, and I would suggest to enable it. When comparing item tooltips, properties gained, lost, and changes equipped skills will be displayed, and it works like this. So when we open our inventory, we can look on any other item, press shift to compare it with already equipped one, and on the right under the item you can see what properties will be lost when equipping it. So that's kind of useful. Next thing is advanced tooltip information. I would also suggest to enable it, because when you go to your inventory you can look on any item, and then you can actually see what's the minimum and maximum stats you can get on that item. And here I have this pants, and they give 349 thorns, and the minimum and maximum of it is 194 to 388. And that's basically all of the settings I would suggest to enable for item comparing and other useful things. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.